vice president, only Mampanidano. He will be better than John Mahama. John Mahama's record in this country is nothing to write home about. At least Bawumia is just a vice president. He doesn't take the decisions. I don't have a show to him.
What are you talking about?
He's just a vice president.
Meba.
On taking the position of presidency.
Hold on, let's understand something.
Let's discuss it.
Meba.
Yes.
Are you telling us, what you tell Ghanaians say now Bawumia and take decisions?
Me say Bawumia is a vice president as we speak. To look at how we compare Bawumia to Dr. John Mahama, the difference is huge. So
let's wait
till maybe I'm telling you.
Then how do you present him? Say I'm a contestant because at a point, at a point you were telling Ghanaians say John Dramani Mahama of failing because one. Even 2012, you were saying he was the head of the economic management team.
And you are complaining about that.
In 2012, Magana phone to even at 2012. Today is the head of the economic management team. It is a Niamabeko year. Do one fee say Bawumia is spearheading the economy.
Yes,
but if you come to tell us, say Bawumia only a vice president. What message are you
concluding
then you can't blame Alan. You can't blame Akoto anywhere.
Mami concluding this say. Bawumia as a vice president has performed better than John Mahama as president. This argument creates an opportunity and a platform for us. If Bawumia should lead our party and become president,
he doesn't take decisions. You said he doesn't take decisions.
Yes.
So it means that everything he has done was done by Nanado.
He proposed and if accepted, implemented. I'm telling you. And we concede.
You can't eat your cake.
No, I'm not eating my cake. I am not eating my cake.
You can't eat your cake.
I am being honest with you. Said Bawumia is just a vice president.
Yes,
and
we call a vice president.
No, in the hierarchy of authority, or a vice president.
Everybody knows he's a vice president.
In the hierarchy of authority, Bawumia is a vice president.
Let me understand something. Let me understand something. The good policies and that has been implemented. No, you are adducing it to him.
Not all.
Some.
Yes.
Majority.
Yes.
Now, the bad things that are happening in the economy, who do you attribute?
No. Pick and choose. No. We concede.
I'm asking a question.
On this platform.
I'm asking a question, say. And never cost dollar depreciation in who's and 7 crores. Ghana for can do you accept say about me?
I can say on this platform.
Do you accept say about me?
Policies need be and you the results.
You accept?
Yes.
But the good ones,
good ones are the results.
We are initiatives of
your Okaya a year. We are touting it. Your Okaya and we concede.
All right.
I'm telling you.
What I'm saying, NDC people don't care about Ghanaians. People think I'm lying. Let me tell you something, Maxwell. Somewhere about almost a month or two, Obiaba no share. Share program where you good. Just share. About a month or two ago, and your health scheme for Babeka say. And that vaccines why then I short. This is idea who here. And me a president here. Baby a mefa menya sa vaccines ni binang kwada na ye vaccinated no mefa konya. Esan se NDC entumi anya na MPP entumi anya ni record time intino. Sa kakawure Jimmy for MP na friend okuda to block ano. Asia ko jina say and Nigeria borrowed us the vaccine. Shame on you. That vaccine didn't come from Nigeria. Shame on you. Now, even if Nigeria borrowed that for us, Sabi, yes, corona time, yes, we are more money, many be. And the young fan is saying, and please, it is not true. What a blocker is saying is not true. But even if it is true, we are trying to find health care for our little Kwada and say, vaccinate you polio, measles, near the day. We are finding ways to do it, and the only thing a blocker Jimmy Fuano can do is to come and do propaganda with it, say, and a Nigerian and demand it. If Nigeria gave us that, are we going to use that to save lives in Ghana? Yes, so shut up. Not everything has to be fucking NDC. You guys are jokers. Only 6 million people in Ghana want to control the whole Ghana. Fuck all of you and your stupid MPs who support such foolish. And Your government sa na corona besi ye, corona ba ya bre ye ho e dia pa drama. Mu be twan traka kraka de to health minister so. Okuja to ko si sen. Ye be gina parliament be kire mu ne ko si sen. Mr. Cathedral is my baby. Mr. Cathedral is my baby. Brakote dia wa kofa eyi agbadafo se ye mama mboru abu antoriwa. Cause champagne nyansa no utrim na sebe Ghana ohienti no ebirum de koma to abama bua bi sa akotena parliament onko chamra ma me no mienu ni so kwasia onu be chamra se disu bo onu de ye de mra ne wi na obebutu akwa organize Jama Boys na so kuda to ablo kwa de onu onka senkodu ne nyankopon ebe bisa no one day sa no kwasia asem na wo di no nyame be bisa no one day ofisi se wo ye obi okuda to ablo kwa ofisi se wo ye obi Office Oyobi under your watch. Okujato kakawure Jimmy Fuabrokwe under your stupid watch. Cholera bini obiakoti bini edi wendi nunya wenya cholera ekunipa over 200 in Ghana. Nipa over 200 in Ghana. Jimmy Fuenyanse nu utrim kakawure Brokwe. Ato yiranchembi abeto Ghana biya NDC for fallacy yomode. Bibi boni bi ebeton Ghana bia no eye NDC da because omunkwasi adwene mu no se bibi boni to Ghana kire se omu no mbeba power kwasia kwa onkonko pe message ma meton na munta na munyo omani mu ayede na me disprove mu wa ha no. You don't have honest business people in Ghana. That is why we are suffering. E penifo fan chame na sa okuda to blocker no oduabo okuda to blocker no oduabo wo Ghana ho or say niama wo Ghana ho, all in the name of accountability. Accountability, my stupid foot. Come and give us accountability. What type of work you did for us to be flying you to London and US back and forth just for you to go and study a boy beast. So what's the justification? President, your new deal, man, and you don't mean for play because champagne is idea. Oh, Kotua to power no for the who to miss a sabi play me and you say, what the Koya you don't have what was champagne power? Okuda to block wa buapa and yet Jimmy for support no we are more. And kwasi asam na mote Ghana moody no. Ah, if you how the fuck do you tell me say asama to yen? Ghana for almost 2 months or say 3 months in ye. Ya ma me no mo kwa ye nya vaccines in wayemba. It is troubling. It is a binary fight here nye biaba. Na ye de ko wankasa wo constituency. E de akowo sebe. Ye nuanom igbefuo mma, ye nuanom akanfo mma, ye nuanom kranfo mma, ye kowo